Hi, this is Tracy from Ayrshire Food Hub, letting you know a few of the things you can grow for winter.
Broad beans are a great hardy vegetable for planting now for an early spring crop. Just remember to keep them well protected. This is Scotland. Plastic or fleece covering will do. Onions and garlic are also great for growing over the winter months. You can also try your luck with a late sowing of beetroot, kale, spinach and peas. Now is a great time to save your seeds and seed pods for next year.
Have a go and see what you can get.